If you're looking for an easy showstopper dessert for the 4th of July, then you are not going to want to miss this video. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today I am making one of the easiest patriotic desserts I've ever made. There's only a few ingredients. This is a red, white, and blue cheesecake. It's a no bake. It's going to be perfect for any summer backyard barbecue, cookout, and especially for Labor Day, Memorial Day, 4th of July. So let's go ahead and go over all the ingredients and then we'll get started. Alrighty, so I have some limited edition firecracker Oreo cookies. They're red, white, and blue. I have a pack of regular Oreo cookies. We have a stick of butter, some vanilla. I have powdered sugar, 2 of the cream cheese bars that's been sitting out to not room temperature, but softened, and some whipped topping. And if you want to do the little more decorative for the top of the cheesecake, you know, like make those little swirls around the top, go ahead and get a can of Ready Whip, and you can make it even more decorative than what I'm going to do. So I thought I'd just throw that out there. So now let's go ahead and put this together. Alrighty, so we're going to start with our crust first. I just have myself a pie pan. I just happen to have this beautiful cobalt blue pan. What I did was I took 24 Oreo cookies, put them in a Ziploc baggie, and crushed them up very fine. You can use the vanilla ones if you don't want chocolate. That way the color stays more consistent. But I just wanted these instead, so I'm using these. I have 5 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to put it in the microwave and melt it, and then we're going to mix the two real quick. Alrighty, so I have my 5 tablespoons of butter melted. Just give it a quick stir. Make sure it's completely melted. Oops, I'm splashing it. Alright, now we're going to pour it in our chopped cookies. And we're just going to go ahead and mix that up really well. Alright, we're going to slide our pan over. Let's just dump that right in there. Like that. Alrighty, and now we're just going to flatten that out nice and smooth. Smells good already. Just want to make sure it's smooth, no uneven spots. Like that. Looking good. Alrighty, let me go ahead and wash my spatula off and we can move on to the filling. Alrighty now, so I have my 2 cream cheese that are softened. I have 1 cup of powdered sugar. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That is all you need right now. We'll do the whipped topping and we'll fold that in after we blend it all together. Alrighty. Alrighty, let's just clean off our, what are these called? Oh my gosh, what are these called? What are they called? Oh my gosh, what are these called? I'll put it up on the screen, I'll figure it out. Alrighty, so we have this all mixed up. Now we're gonna add in our Cool Whip. Let's add that in there. Are they called beaters? Is that what they're called, beaters? Oh my goodness, it's gonna drive me crazy. Is that what they're called, beaters? Lord have mercy. I am not knowing what I'm doing. Alrighty, there we go. Just make sure it's mixed really well. Look how fluffy that is. Alrighty, so now I have about 10 Oreo cookies in here that I crushed. It's the firecracker ones. Like I said, if you can't find these, just use the vanilla ones, and you can add sprinkles or strawberries or blueberries on the top of the cake, or pie, I mean. Alright, so we're going to put that in there. Now we're just going to go ahead and mix this up. Look at that. Is that gorgeous? So you can use regular Oreos, not a big deal. And we can add some strawberries, or you can just add, if you don't want to do these, add strawberries and blueberries in here. Slice them up, throw them in. Alright friends, I think I forgot to record dumping this in. Oh my goodness, my camera just went off and I'm like, what happened? So I don't think I got footage of dumping it in. I just took the bowl, dumped it in here, and then just started spreading it. So I apologize, the camera just went off and I'm like, oh my goodness, no. I just dumped it right in, that's it. Just scooped it out, dumped it in, and then I just started spreading it out. Just like this. I did nothing other than that. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I done that. Thought I was recording. Alrighty, let me get all washed up and then we'll finish this off. Alrighty, so now, like I said, I had a couple cookies left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't want to put one in the middle up. Nah. I'm going to put a strawberry in the middle. What do you think? Put a strawberry in the middle? We're just going to crush these bad boys. Just like that. Just like that. I'm going to get a strawberry and put a strawberry in the middle. Alrighty, so I have myself a strawberry here. We're just going to plop that right in there. Leave the green on there just for show. And I have some red and white blue sprinkles I think I'm going to try to sprinkle on here. What do you think? You don't have to do this if you don't want to. It's still gonna, and if you get the Ready Whip, you can do like little dots around, you know, those little swirly things around there. That would be really cool. Like I said, it's however you want to do it. There's no right or wrong. And now we're going to go ahead and get our cookies out. This is going to make a mess, but that's okay. Look at this. Oh, so cool. You don't want to like demolish this in the bag, but isn't that cool? Look at that. These are kind of soft compared to the regular Oreo cookies, so you do have to be careful. But like I said, these are really good. They're very sweet though, I have to say, but they are very good. I'm just filling in. Oh, if you could smell it. Oh, lordy, lordy. It smells divine. Put some right there, I think. Look at that. Right there. Is that gorgeous? Look at this. I'm going to put a little bit there. I don't have a whole lot left. Because as you can see, it did get squished a little bit. That's okay. Look at that, friends! How adorable! Look at that! Alrighty, my friends, so here it is. As always, there's going to be pictures at the end. Is that gorgeous or what? I am taking this to work. So what I think I'll do is, this has to be in the, I forgot this last step. This has to go in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours. Overnight is obviously the best. Excuse me. So I'm taking this to work because we definitely do not need all the sugar here in my house. So, but I will cut a piece and take a picture of it so you can see what the inside looks like. But I'm going to do that tomorrow morning right before I leave for work. So here's what it looks like. And for me, it'll be the next day, but for you, it'll be up right next. Alrighty, let's go ahead and cut ourselves a little slice. Oh, I can feel that crust. I'm just going to do a small one. I'm going to leave the strawberry on it since I'm taking it to work. Ow, I think I just broke my fingernail. Alrighty, let's go ahead and see if we can get a nice piece out without it falling apart. We're going to get it. There we go. I have it, I don't know. Oh my gosh, that first piece is always the hardest, isn't it? Oh, look. Alrighty. Alrighty, my friends, so there it is. As always, pictures will be at the end. Let's go ahead and take a bite and see what we think of this. Oh my. Oh, very sweet. It has a berry taste to it. It's very good. You're not a big sweet eater. This may not be for you, but if you're a sweet eater, it is delicious. It's absolutely delicious. So friends, that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. And also, check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.